In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update Bose Soundlink Mini. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Soundlink Mini from Bose, you can update its firmware. However, something that I need to make very clear is that according to my research, you can only update the firmware if you have the second gen Soundlink Mini. According to all the research that I've done, the first generation, so the Soundlink Mini 1, does not have firmware updates available. You can only update if you have the second one. So keep that in mind. While you can still follow the instructions that I give you in this video, there is no guarantee that they are going to work for the first one. Because of the lack of firmware on the first generation of Soundlink Mini, sadly there is nothing that you can do. So if you are experiencing problems, updating it will not be a viable solution, but follow along if you would like to try it out at least. So to do this, we need to download the Bose Updater tool. You can find it available on btu.bose.com. For this, I highly recommend that you follow along on a computer or laptop. While you can still try to do this on a phone, there is no guarantee that it works. So go over to this website and then click the download option. Make sure that you agree with the following here, and then you will receive the tool. So run the installer. As you can see, you run the installer, make sure that it has been successfully installed, launch the updater, and you will need to find a USB cable. You will plug the Soundlink Mini or any other device to your PC while running the tool. So launch the executable, you will see something like this, and by connecting it with a USB cable to your PC, you will be able to get this done. So grab your Soundlink Mini from Bose, so in this example here, the Soundlink Mini, and plug it into your PC. Once it is done, it should be detected. Now, of course, in this screenshot, I have the Quiet Comfort 352, but don't worry, it is going to say the Soundlink Mini when you connect it. This is just a random screenshot that I'm using as an example. You will be able to see the changes in the version, and then, of course, select Update Now. Then just let this process finish. As I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, it seems like this process only works with the second gen because the first generation of Soundlink Mini do not have firmware in them. I hope I was able to help you on how to update Bose Soundlink Mini. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.